Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, we're going to learn how to delete Google search bar history on Chrome. So guys, I'm going to show you in my Android phone. So if you're using PC or desktop, you can follow the same step. Okay. So guys, let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let's start with the video. So guys, you can see I'm on my Chrome browser, and if I click on search bar, here you can see this is history which I searched before, and this is visible to everyone or you. So you can delete it, but if you want to delete it, you have to go to your Google account. So this search history save in your particular Google account. So currently I am logging with this email ID. Okay, so this history will be save on this email ID. Okay, if you have login one and more than one email ID, then you have to check with the every email ID, because every email ID has a different history. So if I click again, so you can see you can delete it one by one by clicking on this into button. If you click it, it will be delete. But if you want to delete everything at one click, so you can delete it. You have to go in this three dot option, and now go to the history. In history you can see there is a history which is Chrome history. Okay, so this is your browser history. So you can delete it easily, but if you want to delete this search bar history, you have to go in my Google account, click on this link mygoogleaccount.com, myactivity.google.com. so you can see the same email ID. You have to check again your email ID, and this is your activities. So here you have to delete activities by clicking on this three line option. If you scroll down guys, you can see your all activities, and there is a three type activities in this Google My Activities. You will see every activities, whichever whatever you open, whatever use application, anything you use on your phone, you can see all activities here. Okay, so this is web app activities, location history, and your YouTube search. So for delete, go to the this three line option, go to the delete activities by, and you can select the time range, last 1 hours or last day or all time you have to delete. You can custom the range. If you click on all time, I just delete all time, and here you can select the all Google product. But if you want to delete only Google search bar, then unselect all and go to the Google search, ticket, tick mark it, and just click on next. Now you can delete history from here, just delete and just done it. So now if you go in Google with the same account, okay, and if you click again here, so you can see all history on search bar has been removed. So I hope guys you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.